Vice-Chancellor, Professor Ndaeyo, cordially invites the university community and the general public to the 123rd inaugural lecture of the University of Uyo, to be delivered by Uduak Augustine Umoh, a professor of computer science, Department of Information Systems, Faculty of Computing, University of Uyo, a scholar of no mean repute, an achiever with a touch of excellence, distinguished and honored in her field of study. Join us as she delivers her inaugural lecture in the 123rd inaugural lecture of the university titled Teaching Machines to Think in Shades of Gray, The Fuzzy Logic of Intelligent Decisions. The date is Thursday, November 27, 2025. The time is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The venue is the 1,000-seater TETFund Auditorium, University of Uyo Main Campus, Nwaniba Road, Uyo. Guests are to be seated by 2:45 in the afternoon. Mrs. Blossom Okorie, Registrar and Secretary to Senate, Announcer.